Hello. To open download mode on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to turn off your phone. Then when your phone is turned off, you have to press and hold the volume up key and volume down key simultaneously until the blue screen goes on. And as you press and hold them, you have to plug your phone, simply plug it just to anything. Alright, it took a little too long. It was long actually, but alright, now as we are here, we have the instruction of what to do. We have the warning menu and we have to press volume up button to continue, volume down to cancel, and side key to show the barcode. So we will press volume up to continue, and just like this we are in the downloading mode. To get out of this downloading mode, you simply have to press volume down key and side key for more than 7 seconds to cancel the downloading mode and simply restart your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.